Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a grade 8 natural sciences question taken from the Herzia Middle School November 2015 exam paper. So let's have a look. So this question asks us to fill in the blanks with a word or a term in the line below the statement, and it touches on 2 or 3 different subtopics of natural science, namely planet Earth and beyond, a little bit on matter and materials, and a little bit on energy and change as well, but we'll see that as we go. So we're just going to fill in the blanks. Let's first read the statement or the instruction at the top. It says, give one word or term for each of the following descriptions. Write only the word or term on the line below the statement and do not give examples. So we know that it's important to follow the instructions, but I'll help you try and remember some of the ways you can remember these terms. Okay, so let's get started. 2.1 asks, a body of hot glowing gases in space that produces its own energy. This is a star. Okay, and a rounded body traveling around a star in a clear circular path is a planet. This is what planets do. And the furthest planet from the sun is Neptune. And a mnemonic or a memory thing that you can use to remember this is to say, my very earnest mother just served us noodles. Okay, and this tells us the order of the planets in respect to the distance from the sun. So Mars, that would be Mars, Venus, Earth, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, great. 2.4, smaller piece of rock in space, smaller than an asteroid. This is called a meteoroid. And 2.5, the collection of all colors that make the rainbow. This is white light. Okay, let's go on to the last few questions. 2.6 asks, a process in which an ionic substance is broken down into simpler elements is called electrolysis. This is when we use electricity to break down the substance, the ionic substance, into its simpler elements. Okay, so a circuit that allows current to flow in one path, this is called a DC circuit, direct current circuit, and is different. The other form of circuit that allows flow of current in either direction is called alternating current. So just keep that at the back of your mind. 2.8, a blue substance that produces chlorine gas when current passes through it. This is copper chloride solution. Copper chloride solution is blue, and this diagram just gives us the representation of the reaction in which the chlorine gas is formed. Okay, so you would have your cathode there, anode, copper chloride solution in there. You pass the current and the chlorine gas is formed here. Okay, that's just a little extra to help us remember the answer to 2.8. So let's have a look at 2.9. What transforms the potential energy in a cell into another form of energy? This is a spontaneous chemical or reduction oxidation reaction which releases electrons that have energy within the cell, and the process is called cell electrochemistry. Okay, and finally 2.10, a word to describe an object that gives off light or glows in the dark. The word that we use here is phosphorescent. Alright, and the process is called phosphorescence. Okay, so that's that for question 2 in this question paper. But before I go, I'd like to say a very big thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read about them in the description that is provided. Also remember that on our website you can find many more of these epic tutorial videos, and if you can't find the answer to your question, do send us the question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. So until the next time, stay epic.